Some of you, you've seen it. Some of you, it's completely new. And no, this is not the Karate Kid movie. This is actually a candle, Morningstar Doji. So it's a long red candle with a doji and a long green candle closing above midpoint of the first candle. So I'm going to give you guys a visual representation right here. And why does the doji candle work? The doji represents market inflection. This is a point where the market is going to decide to either completely reverse or it is a pause in the market to continue. So for the guys that have joined us on our live streams, again, we have talked about small range days equal big range days, and especially with an inflection candle like this, we expect massive volume to come from it. Why? All of that volume is trapped into a tiny little body of a candle, and that volume wants to explode. So it's going to either be to the upside or to the downside. So some trading tips on it. You want to ideally get this in a trending market and not a ranging market. A ranging market could produce some false signals, so rather take this while the market is trending. So enter when the third candle breaks the doji high.